Did you know that 1 in 2 seniors is at risk of being undernourished and doesn't even know it? That's right. Half of older adults aren't getting the nutrients they need, and it's affecting their health in big ways. Hi, from Senior Health Solutions, and today we're talking about something super important: nutrition for seniors. It's not just about eating 3 meals a day. It's about eating the right foods to stay strong, sharp, and full of life. As we get older, our bodies change. We might eat less, or our bodies might not absorb nutrients like they used to. That's why what we eat becomes even more important. Good nutrition isn't just about preventing disease. It's about feeling better every day, having more energy, and enjoying life to the fullest. But here's the problem. Many seniors face big challenges when it comes to eating well. Some don't feel hungry as often, others have trouble chewing or swallowing, and some just don't know what foods are best for them. On top of that, medications or health problems can mess with appetite and digestion. It's a lot. So what can help? Let's talk about the superstars of senior nutrition protein. This helps keep muscles strong and supports healing. Great sources: eggs, chicken, fish, beans, and even peanut butter. Calcium and vitamin D. These keep bones strong and help prevent falls. Find them in milk, yogurt, cheese, and leafy greens like spinach. Fiber keeps digestion smooth and supports heart health. Whole grains, fruits like apples and berries, and vegetables like carrots are perfect. B vitamins and iron. These help with energy and brain health. Foods like fortified cereals, lean meats, and beans are excellent choices. Water. Yep, plain old water. Many seniors don't drink enough. Try adding lemon or drinking herbal teas if plain water is boring. Let me tell you about Mr. Johnson, a 78-year-old gentleman I met. He was always tired, forgetful, and losing weight fast. After a quick nutrition check, we added more protein, fruits, and water to his meals. Just a few weeks later, he was walking more, laughing more, and even started gardening again. It wasn't magic. It was just better food and a little support. So, here's the big takeaway. Eating better can help seniors live better. You don't need a complete diet overhaul. Just small, smart changes can make a big difference. A banana here, a boiled egg there, and staying hydrated. That's all it takes to get started. Have you helped a loved one improve their diet, or are you a senior who's made changes to feel better? Drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more easy, helpful tips on caring for the amazing older adults in your life. Thanks for watching, and remember, a healthier plate can mean a happier life.